Cheers, y'all. It is early in the morning on Sunday, April 30th, and we are getting geared up for the Broad Street 10 miler. We've got the crew. Can we see Jeremy in the back? Everybody in the bright red Team Determination gear. My mom and I got the ACS hats we won in a raffle.
I got the knee socks.
Got the knee socks. The cape, show off the cape, Mom. All the folks we're running for. Very excited for this race. Should be a blast. How's everybody feeling?
Feeling great.
Good, good. Gonna call it soon, head to the starting line, and get ready. All right, here we are, rainy and chilly. Everyone's
Woo! Woo! So upside down. Do you want me to stand on my head?
There we go. How was the race, everybody? How was the race?
Peachy Keen.
I had such a great race, and you know what? The running community is just phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
Amen.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 for runners.
Spectators!
Woo!
Oh yeah!
Woo! The city of Philadelphia came out, the residents came out to cheer us on even in this nasty weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did.